What's happening, guys? Welcome in. Firstly, let me apologise for being a little bit lax on the old videos. It's been a couple of weeks off, and partially because minor major is coming very close. We're about 8-9 weeks away, so full baby prep mode. And also I was travelling. I travelled down all the way down to Bristol for a clinic. Now, I was brought there by a guy called AJ Roussel, who, check out his links below, because he's an all-round badass. He is writing books, he is putting on camps, he's teaching himself, he's performing and touring. He's just an all-around hard-working drummer, and I really respect what he did. And he took a punt on me coming down. So we had great fun, as you can see by the footage. It was a pretty cool city, lots of really nice sort of Amsterdam-y, Paris kind of vibes, and I just had so much fun, so I can't wait to come back. Now, my favourite part of clinics is actually the questions that I get asked. The teaching part is cool, and I try to change it up every year and do something different so it doesn't become stale for me or anyone who's seen me before. But the questions is where I can sort of switch my teacher mode on. And I had a great question, and it's a question that's been coming up a lot from my students, online and in clinics. And that was about, how do you improve your flow around the drum kit? Specifically, the question was, when I play fills, it doesn't flow. So my answer to that, and it always is the same, is, have you ever practiced flow exercises? The answer inevitably is always no. So this lesson today is all about 3 very useful flow exercises that I've basically done religiously for the last 10 years, and they've dramatically improved my confidence and my speed and dexterity around the kit. If you're ready, let's jump to the kit and we'll get started. So now we're at the kit, let me show you those 3 main exercises. The first one I'm going to call threes round the kit, because it's self-explanatory and it's really easy to remember. We're going to have 3 on the floor tom going right, left, right, 3 on the snare drum going left, right, left, right, floor tom, left, first tom. All triplets, so 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Let's get that left foot in there. You know you need to. Let's try it nice and slow. This is what it sounds like. Now let's try it at medium tempo, and I'll just add a little bit of accelerando on it. Just get it a little bit faster so you can see it in full flight. Now with any of these exercises, the important thing is to maintain a visual representation of what it is you want to achieve. So how do you view flowing, fluid drummers? In my opinion, Benny, Dave Weckl, Vinnie Colaiuta, these guys have that flow, that almost ninja martial arts or dealing cards kind of thing, where it's all super economical with their motion. That's what we're going for. So when you're practicing these exercises, don't worry about speed, just worry about clarity, so hitting the center of the drums and fluidly flowing. Okay, so exercise number 2. Again, super simple, because it's awesome that way when it's simple, because you can remember it. We're going to have, all with one hand, 4 on the snare drum, followed by 4 on the first tom, back to 4 on the snare drum, then 4 on the floor tom, and then we're going to repeat it, but with our left hand. So left, tom, left, snare, left, floor, left. Let's try that, nice and slow. This is what it sounds like. Okay, so to amp that up a little bit, I like to add an extra layer of practice. And by doing that, we're going to put a bass drum in between each of those hand notes. Now this is going to force you to slow down, which in my opinion is a really good thing to be able to do. And it's important that you don't just run away with these exercises. But also, we're going to be working our bass drum. For every single note that we're playing with our hand, we've got an extra one on the bass drum, but it doesn't get a rest. So if you do this exercise for 2, 3, or 5 minutes every day, you're going to work on your single bass drum playing while working on your motion around the drum kit. So now let me demo that with the bass drum in the middle, left foot quarter note, and here we go. So now I've got something a little bit different, more of a thought than an actual exercise. Why do you need to have a specific motion exercise when you could just practice motion all the time? Now, what do I mean by that? What I mean is that if let's say we're playing right, left, kick or something like that. We could play it just on the snare drum, that would be fine. But why not, once you're comfortable with the exercise, incorporate some motion and flow thoughts, as it were, so that you get comfortable moving that one exercise around the drum kit, but also any exercise that's kind of like it, and you just generally get more comfortable with the drum set, moving around, etc., etc. So let me show you right, left, kick, and what I'll do is I will flow it around the drums. So hope you guys dug that lesson. If you did, please hit subscribe, give me a like, let me know some questions or some videos that you'd like me to make, and I'll see you guys very soon. Take care.